Hello. Today, let us start with one more higher order function, which is known as lambda function. So, lambda function is also called as anonymous function. So, what exactly anonymous function means? Anonymous function is a function that is defined without function name. Hence, it is also called as lambda function. It doesn't have any function name. So, normal function uses def keyword, whereas anonymous function like lambda function uses lambda keyword. So it's a just simple one, simple concept. So the normal function uses a def keyword, where lambda function uses lambda keyword, where lambda function is also known as anonymous function because it doesn't have any function name. For example, in our normal function, we used to have func1, func2, func3. So in that way, we have some functions, right? Whenever we are calling some function, we used to call that with the help of function name. But in case of lambda, we doesn't have any defined function name. So syntax is simple: lambda argument list and expression. So lambda keyword with an argument list, what exactly the formal arguments you want to define, and the expression. Expression can be the evaluation part, where with the help of argument, what is the evaluation you want to do with. Then if we move on to example, where a is equal to lambda x semicolon x plus y, where you are defining a local variable with a lambda function and you want to execute with a lambda input an expression called x plus 5. So if you pass a value 5, so 5 plus 5, 10 will be printed off. So let us try to have a look of this lambda function in the code editor. Okay, now let us print a local variable lambda of x, x plus 5. You want to evaluate this expression, we pass an value print a of 5. So if I run this, you got an output as 10. Here a is a local variable and lambda is a function, anonymous function, and you are passing an value x or an argument x. So you want to perform an expression evaluation of expression called x plus 5, where whatever the value you will pass for a lambda function, it will do the summation of x plus y. So I am passing 5 as an input for a local variable a. So lambda function takes x as an x as the value, which is 5, and do the summation 5 plus 5, 10. So hence it returns that value 10. So that's all with a lambda function. It's a single line expression where you want to do a single line evaluation with an very less number of arguments. Then you can make use of lambda function. So it's well, and the code will be good, and it is easy for evaluation process as well. So that's all with the lambda function. Yeah, I think that's the end of our higher order functions as well. So we have discussed 4 types: map function, filter function, reduce function, and lambda function. So that's all for the day. Thank you.